Hey guys, it's me KJ. Hi. This is my dog Sky.
KJ, you're making another YouTube?
Hey Sky. Hey Sky. Oh,
Sorry,
bubble
KJ.
girl. Sky.
She wants to go outside.
Well, that's my dog. Just wanted to show you. I don't know what this video is. Kind of is just this blabbering thing that I wanted to do. Yes, I have a Nintendo, and I have a computer. Don't ask why. I just do. For fun. And I don't even know what this is supposed to be. This video's just like, nope. This video that you're gonna post on this thing where you could get money famous. Actual money famous. Famous. It's like awesome. Money famous website. You could get billions of dollars just playing things and stuff. 'Cause you don't like anything. And this is a video of no sense at all. Just a video of nothing suspicious. Just me and my Nintendo. Me and my Nintendo. That is at 3%. So, yeah. Bye.